How to make Ghanaian kelewele. Ingredients: 3 ripe plantains, 1 tablespoon grated fresh ginger, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 small onion, finely chopped, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper or ground red pepper, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil for seasoning, oil for frying. Instruction: prepare the plantains. Peel the plantains and cut them into bite-sized cubes or diagonal slices. Make the marinade. In a bowl, combine the grated ginger, minced garlic, chopped onion, cayenne pepper, paprika, salt, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Mix well to marinade. Marinate the plantains. Add the plantain to the bowl with the marinade. Toss the plantains until they are evenly coated with the spice mixture. Let them sit for about 10 to 15 minutes to absorb the flavors. Heat the oil. Pour enough oil into a deep frying pan or pot to submerge the plantains. Heat the oil over medium-high heat until it is hot but not smoking, about 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Plantains. Carefully add the marinated plantain pieces to the hot oil in batches. Fry them until they are golden brown, crispy on the outside, which should take about 5 to 7 minutes per batch. Use a slotted spoon to remove the fried plantains oil and place them on a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. Serve. Serve the kelewele hot, as a snack or side dish. It can be enjoyed on its own or with peanuts for an added crunch. Tips: ensure the plantains are ripe but firm to achieve the best texture. Adjust the amount of cayenne pepper to suit your preferred spice level. For an extra layer of flavor, you can add a pinch of nutmeg or cloves to the marinade. Enjoy your delicious Ghanaian kelewele.